Hi, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Today we're going to take a look at the Colapz motorhome waste outlet kit. This little kit includes a funnel. It also includes an expanding pipe. So all you do is you connect this to the waste outlet of your motorhome. It's in varying sizes. You can trim it with a pair of scissors. It's just made of silicone. Pop it onto your waste outlet pipe, attach this expanding tube and just pull it like so. Makes a great noise. And then you can run this off down to the waste outlet point. Now you can buy these tubes separately on their own, so you can extend the tubes. There is a kit of 4 pipes also available. That kit comes with a cleaning brush as well. And you can buy extra funnels as well. You can buy the funnel on its own. When you're finished with it, this is the best bit. Just push it all back together. Hence its name, Colapz. Collapses all down. Pop it in the garage. Job done.